Crypto knowledge. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Tether, one of the most popular stablecoins in the crypto world. We'll cover what Tether is, how it works, and its pros and cons. So, let's dive in. What is Tether? Tether is a cryptocurrency that is pegged to the US dollar in a 1-to-1 ratio. This means that one Tether token is equivalent to $1 US. Tether was launched in 2014 by a company called Tether Limited. Its main purpose was to provide a stable alternative to volatile cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. How does Tether work? Tether is built on the blockchain technology, just like other cryptocurrencies. However, unlike other cryptocurrencies, Tether is backed by the US dollar. This means that for every Tether token issued, Tether Limited holds an equivalent amount of US dollars in reserve. This ensures that the value of Tether remains stable and does not fluctuate like other cryptocurrencies. Pros of Tether. One of the biggest advantages of Tether is its stability. As it is pegged to the US dollar, the value of Tether does not fluctuate like other cryptocurrencies. This makes it an attractive option for traders who want to hedge against market volatility. Tether is also widely accepted by most crypto exchanges and is used as a medium of exchange for trading cryptocurrencies. Moreover, Tether transactions are faster and cheaper than traditional banking transactions, making it a convenient option for users. Cons of Tether. While Tether has its advantages, it also has its fair share of criticism. One of the biggest concerns surrounding Tether is the lack of transparency around its reserve holdings. Tether Limited claims that it holds an equivalent amount of US dollars for every Tether token issued. But this has never been fully verified. There have also been allegations that Tether has been used to manipulate the price of Bitcoin. This has led to several investigations by regulatory authorities, which has created uncertainty around the future of Tether. Tether is a stablecoin that has gained popularity in the crypto world due to its stability and convenience. However, it is not without its risks and criticisms. As with any investment, it's important to do your research and make an informed decision before investing in Tether or any other cryptocurrency. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.